Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the send message button not showing or not being displayed on Discord issue. So let us guide you through this. So guys, as you can see, I'm inside that example channel, text channel here inside my Discord server, and here at the bottom we see that text field where you can type in my message, and there is no send message button here. Of course, you can always press enter if you like to send a given message, but if you want to see that button, guys, it is possible to enable it, for instance, if you accidentally have hidden or disabled it. So this is how you can do it, guys. You will need to access your user settings for Discord. Click into that gear icon to do that here in the bottom left, and from there navigate to accessibility here under app settings, and next scroll all the way down till you get to the chat input feature. And here, guys, you will see that feature show send message button. So click into it or enable it here to the right. Close that window here. And after that, return to your conversation or chat with your friend or into the text channel in your server. Click into that field, type in your message. And here to the very right, you will see the send message button re-enabled again, guys. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.